Is that M&M?
Yeah, this is my 78 Trans Am. It's T-tops, man, you know. Gotta keep the air through the hair. It's got a 350 small block shitter. Hooker headers. It's got camel hump heads on it.
Yep, 202.
Supported by myself, the best.
It definitely has to be sponsored by Speedway because it's got Speedway stickers.
Oh hell yeah, man! Speedway's shit.
I get a lot of questions. Well, what did I change? Well, we did a couple things. Motor plate, the front tube kit, we fixed the oil pan, and replaced the coilovers. Obviously, we're still not done, but we're getting close. Enough with the BS. It's time to put in the work. It's raining, the place is a mess, but it's day 2 of Let's Get This Done extravaganza.
I know we're perfect strangers and I'm reaching out to you. We got to be together, but I haven't a clue.
Day 3, I'm already tired, still more work to do, let's go. Voicemail.
I just want to let you know that I came up with the name for your video shenanigans, and the name was going to be LS Squad Productions. And just to let you know, this is my letter resume. I fucking quit. Not my letter resume. What is it? You know what I mean. I fucking quit. I'm going to Death Row Records.
First things first, gotta get this car over to Master Welder HL. You ready, Andy? Hell yeah, ready as I'll ever be. Let's get to it. Tubular. Let's go then. Forgot my keys. Back to it.
And I'm reaching out to you. We got to be together, but I haven't a clue how we beat up. I could need some of you. Straight up, there's nothing else I'd rather do. Sit tight, you may think it's in the rain. We need to get back. We need to get back in the game. Oh yeah.
You may or may not notice that some things may look off, but I promise, everything is real. Right, Andy? Yeah, man.
There's a taste of you in every meal. There is something strange between you and me. Give me some fuel for the fire. I know we're perfect strangers and I'm reaching out to you. We got to be together, but I haven't.
Welders can be a little bit picky at times when it comes to jobs. Or maybe it's just my guy. He doesn't like some of the things I do. I'm pretty sure he's hating me right now. He's definitely hating me right now.
What you call getting wand, ladies and gentlemen.
Andy, don't look directly at the light. It's blinding.
How we beat up, I could need some of you. Straight up, there is nothing else I'd rather do. Sit tight, you may think it's in vain. We need to get back, we need to get back. Beat up, I could need some of you. Straight up, there is nothing else I'd rather do. Sit tight, you may think it's in vain. We need to get back, we need to get back in the game.
Well, that's it. We finished the welding. Time to bring her home, finish up a couple more things, and then the paint. Let's go. We can't forget Andy either. New header wrap smoke. Woo-wee, look at those turbos go. Unfortunately, due to budget cuts, we weren't able to afford everybody that you're used to seeing, but we did get some people. My good old buddy Hayden. Exactly the safest tool.
Why did we not weld this before we put the turbo on?
I'm just gonna remind you that it was your idea to not do it right at the time.
It was not my idea.
It was your. I'll roll back to the footage.
It was not my idea. Jesus Christ. What did you cut this? What did you cut this with, a chainsaw?
I'm pretty sure the blade was for wood. Hayden, what's on your neck?
What are you talking about?
You got something on your neck.
Bro, I got attacked by a vacuum cleaner, okay?
Yeah. It looks like the chupacabra came after you.
It was definitely a chupacabra.
So, because we moved the radiator forward, our headlights now touch the radiator. So I'm going to have to delete and cut out the inner headlights, which are the high beams, and only run low beams, which I never had these wired up anyway, so why does it matter? That way we still have functioning headlights for streetcar. So Andy is gonna go ahead and get these knocked out for us.
What are we doing here, Juan?
Well, I'm Andy, by the way. Andy's doing this job. Well, we're gonna modify these headlights to be 100% more lightweight. Well, we did it, right?
Yeah.
This was day 3 of Get It Done extravaganza, and it happened. We did it.
Yeah.
We made it through.
Yeah, kind of.
And now we just need to paint it and put it together.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, man. Got it all welded, finished up. Next is paint, and then
Oh man, these welds look like crap. I could have done so much better.
Andy's always so negative.
I broke them out.
I'm glad you were able to help out today, Andy. Please subscribe to this channel